नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आपले सर्वांचे सहर्ष स्वागत. आपण जर चॅनल सबस्क्राइब केला नसेल तर सबस्क्राइब करा आणि ज्यांनी केला असेल त्यांना मी धन्यवाद देतो. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट ऑफ क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन इज application of quadratic equation. Quadratic equation are useful in daily life for finding solutions of some practical problem. We are now going to learn the same. Solved example. First example is, there is a rectangular onion storehouse in the farm of Mr. Ratnakar Rao at Tiwasa. The length of rectangular base is more than its breadth by 7 meter and diagonal is more than length by 1 meter. Find length and breadth of the storehouse. The storehouse is in the shape of rectangle. Here we draw a rectangle. First condition, the length of rectangular base. This is a base. Breadth and diagonal. Condition is, rectangular base is more than its breadth by 7. Base is more than 7. Base more than 7 means breadth x. Base is x plus 7 and diagonal is more than length by 1 meter. Diagonal is more than base. X plus 7 plus 1 is equal to x plus 8. Here solution. Let the breadth of rectangular onion storehouse be x meter. Therefore, the length of rectangular onion storehouse is equal to, length is more than breadth by 7 means breadth x more than 7 means plus 7 and diagonal of rectangular onion storehouse is equal to, diagonal is more than length by 1. Length is x plus 7, then more than 1 means plus 1 is equal to x plus 7 and 1 8, x plus 8 meter. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, base square plus height square is equal to diagonal square. Base means length. Length of rectangle is x plus 7 bracket square plus height means breadth. Breadth is x bracket square is equal to diagonal square means diagonal x plus 8 bracket square. Here x plus 7 bracket square is in the form of a plus b bracket square. A plus b bracket square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square means x square plus 2 into value of a x into value of b 7 plus b square means 7 square 49 means x square plus 7 2s are 14x plus 49. X plus 7 bracket square is equal to x square plus 14x plus 49 plus x square is equal to x plus 8 bracket square. X plus bracket 8 bracket square is in the form of a plus b bracket square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square means x square plus 2 into value of a x into value of b 8 plus b square means 8 square 64. X square plus 8 2s are 16x plus 64. X plus 8 bracket square is equal to x square plus 16x plus 64. X square plus 14x plus 49 plus x square. Here right side x square plus 16x plus 64 plus x square minus x square plus 16x minus 16x plus 64 minus 64 is equal to 0. X square minus x square cancel. X square plus 14x minus 16x plus 49 minus 64 is equal to 0. X square plus 14x minus 16x. Here the sign of first number is plus and sign of second number is minus. Therefore we subtract these two numbers. 16 minus 14, 2x. The sign of bigger number 16 is minus 2x. Here 64 minus 49. 14 minus 5, 14 minus 9, 5, 4 and 1, 5, 6 minus 5, 1, 15. Sign of bigger number 64 is minus is equal to 0. Minus 15. Product of two numbers is 15 and subtraction of these two numbers is 2. 5 3s are 15. The sign of middle number is minus. So the sign of bigger number is minus. Minus 5 into 3. 5 3s are 15 minus minus. Minus 5 plus 3 is equal to minus 2. X square minus 5x plus 3x minus 15 is equal to 0. Group of two numbers. X square minus 5x in this common is x into bracket x square divided by x minus x cancel 5 plus 3x minus 15 common is plus 3 into bracket 3 1s are 3 3 1s are 3 x minus 3 5s are 15. In this x minus 5 is a common. X minus 5 in another bracket x plus 3 is equal to 0. Here the product of two numbers is 0. At least one of them is 0. Therefore x minus 5 is equal to 0 or x plus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to 5 or x is equal to minus 3. X breadth, but the breadth is never negative. X is not equal to minus 3. Therefore x is equal to 5. Therefore breadth of rectangular onion storehouse is equal to 5 meter and length of rectangular onion storehouse is equal to x plus 7. Value of x is 5. 5 plus 7 is equal to 12 meter. Second example. A train travels 360 km with uniform speed. The speed of the train is increased by 5 km per hour. It takes 48 minutes less to cover the same distance. Find the initial speed of the train. Let the initial speed of the train be x kilometer per hour. The speed of the train is increased by 5 km per hour. New speed of the train is equal to x plus 5 km per hour. Here distance is equal to 360 km. To cover a distance 360 km is equal to time cover to distance 360 km. Time is equal to distance upon speed. Distance, how many distance? 360 upon first speed is initial speed is x hours. Then it takes 48 minutes less. 48 minutes is equal to time is in hour. 48 minutes means 40 upon 60 hours. 12 of 4s are 48. 12 of 5s are 60. 4 upon 5 hours. New time to cover a distance 360 km is equal to distance upon new speed. Distance 360 upon a new speed is x plus 5 hours. From the given condition, 48 minutes less to cover a same distance. Means initial time is 360 upon x minus 4 upon 5 is equal to new time 360 upon x plus 5. 360 upon x plus 360 upon x plus 5. Left hand side minus 360 upon x plus 5 is equal to minus 4 upon 5. Right hand side गेला 4 upon 5. 360 कॉमन काढू या ठिकाणी. 360 into bracket 1 upon x minus 1 upon x plus 5 is equal to 4 upon 5. 360 ने मल्टिप्लाय केले, 360 ने डिवाइड करा. या ठिकाणी क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन. x plus 5 ones are x plus 5 minus x ones are x upon x into bracket x plus 5 is equal to 4 upon 5. 360 ने मल्टिप्लाय केले, 360 इकडे डिवाइड करूया म्हणजे 5 into 360. 4 ones are 4, 4 nines are 36, 4 zeros are 0. X minus x cancel. 5 upon x into x square plus x into 5 5x is equal to 1 upon 0 la 0, 9 5s are 45. Cross multiplication. X square plus 5x ones are x square plus 5x is equal to 450 into 5. 5 zeros are 0. 5 5s are 25, carry over 2. 5 4s are 20, 20 and 2 22. X square plus 5x plus 2250 left hand side ला minus 2250 is equal to 0 minus 2250. आता या ठिकाणी पहा गुणाकार 2250 आला पाहिजे आणि त्या दोन संख्यांची वजाबाकी 5 आली पाहिजे. 2250 2 1s are 2 2 1s are 2 2 2s are 4 1 2 5s are 10 3 3 3s are 9 2 3 7s are 21 3 1s 3 5s are 15 3 3 1s are 3 3 2s are 6 3 5s are 15 5 2s are 10 5 5s are 25 5 5s are 25 5 1s are 5. Here factors of 2250 are 2 3 3 5 5 5. आता याच्यामध्ये असा गट घ्यायचा की त्यांची वजाबाकी काय आली पाहिजे 5 आली पाहिजे. 5 5 2 5 5s are 25 25 2s are 50 3 3s are 9 9 5s are 45 means 50 and 45. The sign of middle term is plus, then the sign of bigger number is plus, minus, minus. आता या ठिकाणी पहा 5x ची काय झालेली आहे ही फोड झालेली आहे. x square plus 50x minus 45x minus 2250 is equal to 0. Group of two numbers, common x into bracket x plus 50 common minus 45 into bracket x plus 50 is equal to 0. Here common is x plus 50 and in another bracket x minus 45 is equal to 0. X plus 50 is equal to 0 or x minus 45 is equal to 0. X is equal to plus 50 right hand side ला गेला minus 50 and x is equal to minus 45 right hand side ला गेला plus 45. But the speed of train is never negative. X is not equal to minus 50, therefore x is equal to 45. Therefore the initial speed of the train is equal to 45 kilometer per hour. Practice set 2.6. First example is product of Pragati's age 2 years ago and 3 years hence is 84. Find her present age. Solution. Let Pragati's present age be x years. 2 years ago age of Pragati is equal to 2 years ago x minus 2 years. After 3 years age of Pragati will be 3 years. After 3 years x plus 3 years from the given condition. Condition काय आहे पहा Product of Pragati's age 2 years ago. 2 years ago Pragati's age is x minus 2. Product means into. After 3 years Pragati's age will be x plus 3 is equal to 84. X minus 2 into x plus 3. X into bracket x plus 3 minus 2 into bracket x plus 3 is equal to 84. X into x, x square, plus 3 into x, 3x, minus 2 into x, minus 2x, minus into plus, minus 2 3s are 6, plus 84 left hand side lala, minus 84 is equal to 0. X square plus 3x minus 2x plus x minus 6 minus 84 minus 90 is equal to 0. minus 90 साइड ला घेऊया. गुणाकार 90 आला पाहिजे आणि वजाबाकी 1 आली पाहिजे. 10 9 90. मधल्या संख्येचं चिन्ह मोठ्या संख्येला, मधली संख्या 10, 10 ला चिन्ह प्लस. आता या ठिकाणी मायनस आहे म्हणून 9 ला मायनस. प्लस इंटू मायनस मायनस 10 9s are 90. 10 minus 9 1. आता प्लस x ची पोड काय आली पहा. x स्क्वेअर प्लस 10x minus 9x minus 90 is equal to 0. Group of two numbers. Here x square plus 10x common is x into bracket x plus 10 minus 9x minus 90 common minus 9 into bracket x plus 10 is equal to 0. X plus 10 common in x plus 10 in another bracket x minus 9 is equal to 0. X plus 10 is equal to 0 or x minus 9 is equal to 0. X is equal to plus 10 right hand side लागेला minus 10. X is equal to minus 9 right hand side लागेला plus 9. But the age is never negative. X is not equal to minus 10. Therefore, x is equal to 9. Pragati's present age. Pragati's present age is equal to x is equal to 9 years. Second example. The sum of squares of two consecutive even natural numbers is 244. Find the numbers. Let the first even natural number be x. Therefore, the next consecutive even natural number b. The difference between two consecutive even natural number is 2. Therefore, next consecutive even natural number of x be x plus 2. From the given condition, the sum of squares of two consecutive even natural numbers. Sum means addition of squares of these two natural numbers. Square of x square plus x plus 2 bracket square is equal to 244. X square plus, here x plus 2 bracket square is in the form of a plus b bracket square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square means x square plus 2 into value of a x into value of b 2 plus value of b 2 bracket square is equal to x square plus 2 2s are 4x plus square of 2 4. Means x plus 2 bracket square is equal to x square plus 4x plus 4 प्लस 240 लेफ्ट हँड साइड आला मायनस 244 इज इक्वल टू 0. x square plus x square 2x square plus 4x 4 minus 244 minus 240 is equal to 0. 2 कॉमन निघतोय पहा 2 into bracket x square plus 2 2s are 4 x minus 2 1s are 2 2 2s are 4 2 zeros are 0 is equal to 0. 2 ने मल्टिप्लाय केले 2 ने डिवाइड करा x square plus 2x minus 120 is equal to 0 upon 2. x square plus 2x minus 120 is equal to 0. आता या ठिकाणी थर्ड टर्म काय पहा मायनस 120 गुणाकार 120 आला पाहिजे आणि वजाबाकी 2 आली पाहिजे. 12 10 120 मधल्या संख्येचं चिन्ह प्लस ते मोठ्याला देऊया. या ठिकाणी मायनस आहे म्हणून इकडे मायनस येणार. आता पहा प्लस इंटू मायनस मायनस 12 10 आर 120 12 minus 10 plus 2 means plus 2x means 12x minus 10x x square plus 12x minus 10x minus 120 is equal to 0. कॉमन काढूया x कॉमन निघाला x into bracket x plus 12 minus 10 into bracket x plus 12 is equal to 0. कॉमन पहा काय निघाला x plus 12 in another bracket x minus 10 is equal to 0. Here x plus 12 is equal to 0 or x minus 10 is equal to 0. X is equal to plus 12 right side ला गेला minus 12 x is equal to minus 10 right side ला गेला plus 10. But natural number cannot be negative. X is not equal to minus 12, therefore x is equal to 10. Therefore the first even natural number into bracket x is equal to 10 and next consecutive even natural number is equal to x plus 2 is equal to 10 plus 2 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. Therefore these two consecutive even natural numbers are 10 and 12. Third example. In the orange garden of Mr. Madhusudan, there are 150 orange trees. The number of trees in each row is 5 more than that in each column. Find the number of trees in each row and each column with the help of following flow chart. Solution. पहा या ठिकाणी number of trees in a column is x. Number of trees in a row is equal to row मध्ये काय म्हटलं बघा 5 more than each column. कॉलम पेक्षा 5 न मोर म्हणजे काय कॉलमची किती आहेत x more than 5 means x plus 5. Total number of trees is equal to number of trees in a column into number of trees in a row means x into bracket x plus 5. From the given condition, these total number of trees are 150. Means x into bracket x plus 5 is equal to 150. X into x, x square plus x into 5, 5x plus 150 left hand side ala minus 150 is equal to 0. Third term is minus 150. आता गुणाकार 150 आणि वजाबाकी 5 आली पाहिजे. 15 आणि 10 150. 15 तून 10 गेला 5. आता साइन ऑफ मिडल टर्म मधल्या संख्येचं चिन्ह काय आहे प्लस, ते मोठ्या संख्येला द्यायचं आहे प्लस. इथं मायनस आहे म्हणजे 10 ला काय येणार आहे मायनस. प्लस इंटू मायनस मायनस 15 10s are 150. 15 minus 10 5. आता ही प्लस 5x is equal to 15x minus 10x. x square plus 15x minus 10x minus 150 is equal to 0. Group of two numbers, x into bracket x plus 15 minus 10 into bracket x plus 15 is equal to 0. X plus 15 common divisor. X plus 15 in another bracket x minus 10 is equal to 0. X plus 15 is equal to 0 or x minus 10 is equal to 0. X is equal to plus 15 right side ला गेला minus 50. X is equal to minus 10 right side ला गेला plus 10. But the number of trees never negative. X is not equal to minus 15, therefore x is equal to 10. Therefore number of trees in a column is equal to x is equal to 10, and number of trees in a row is equal to x plus 5 is equal to value of x 10 plus 5. 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. Therefore right answer, number of trees in a column is equal to 10 and number of trees in a row is equal to 15. Fourth example, Vivek is older than Kishore by 5 years. The sum of the reciprocals of their ages is 1/6. Find their present ages. Solution. Vivek is older by 5 years. Therefore, let present age of Kishore be x years. Therefore, present age of Vivek is equal to, Vivek is older than Kishore by 5 years, means x plus 5 years. From the given condition, the sum of the reciprocals, sum means addition of their ages. Reciprocal of x is equal to 1/x plus reciprocal of x plus 5 is equal to 1/x plus 5 is equal to 1/6. Cross multiplication, x plus 5 ones are x plus 5 plus x ones are x upon x into bracket x plus 5 is equal to 1/6. X plus x 2x plus 5 upon x into x x square plus x into 5 5x इज इक्वल टू 1/6. क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन 1 न या ठिकाणी मल्टिप्लाय करा. 1 इंटू ब्रॅकेट एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस 5x इज इक्वल टू 6 इंटू ब्रॅकेट 2x प्लस 5. 1 न मल्टिप्लाय केल्यानंतर काही बदल होणार नाही. एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस 5x इज इक्वल टू 6 इंटू 2x. 6 2s are 12x प्लस 6 5s are 30. एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस 5x प्लस 12x लेफ्ट हँड साइडला मायनस 12x प्लस 30 लेफ्ट हँड साइडला मायनस 30 इज इक्वल टू 0. एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस 5x मायनस 12x मायनस 7x मायनस 30 इज इक्वल टू 0. थर्ड टर्म इज मायनस 30. आता गुणाकार 30 आला पाहिजे आणि वजाबाकी 7 आली पाहिजे. 10 3 30. आता मिडल टर्मचं चिन्ह बघा. मिडल टर्म 7x त्याचं चिन्ह कोणतं आहे? मायनस. ते मोठ्याला द्यायचं आहे. मायनस मायनसला मायनस आला म्हणजे या ठिकाणी प्लस 3. आता सोडवून पहा. प्लस इंटू मायनस मायनस 10 3s are 30 मायनस 10 प्लस 3 मायनस 7x. एक्स स्क्वेअर मायनस 7x काय आलं पहा. मायनस 10x प्लस 3x मायनस 30 इज इक्वल टू 0. 2 2 चे ग्रुप करूया. x कॉमन निघाला. x इंटू ब्रॅकेट एक्स स्क्वेअर डिवायडेड बाय एक्स. एक्स मायनस 10 प्लस 3 कॉमन निघाला. x मायनस 10 इज इक्वल टू 0. x प्लस 10 x मायनस 10 कॉमन निघेल. इन अनदर ब्रॅकेट x प्लस 3 इज इक्वल टू 0. x मायनस 10 इज इक्वल टू 0 और x प्लस 3 इज इक्वल टू 0. x इज इक्वल टू मायनस 10 राइट हँड साइडला गेला प्लस 10. x इज इक्वल टू प्लस 3 राइट हँड साइडला गेला मायनस 3. बट द एज कॅनॉट बी negative. X is not equal to minus 3. Therefore, x is equal to 10. Present age of Kishore. Present age of Kishore is equal to x is equal to 10 years. And present age of Vivek. Present age of Vivek is equal to x plus 5 is equal to value of x 10 plus 5. 10 plus 5 is equal to 15 years. Right answer. Present age of Kishore is equal to 10 years and present age of Vivek is equal to 15 years.